Meaning of deconsecrate.
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 Deconsecrate. The word deconsecrate refers to the act of removing the sacred or holy status of something, often a religious object or place. When something is deconsecrated, it is no longer considered to be dedicated to a particular religious purpose or deity. This may involve the removal of special blessings or consecrations that were previously placed upon the object or space. The result of deconsecration may vary depending on the context, but it generally involves a loss of the spiritual significance and symbolic value that was once attributed to the object or place.